Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to connect Wi-Fi without password on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, on your other smartphone, just tap on Settings, then tap on Connections. From here, tap on Wi-Fi, then tap on the settings icon in front of the connected Wi-Fi network. From here, just tap on QR code and it will show the QR code of the Wi-Fi network on the screen. Now we will have to scan this QR code using our Oppo A5x. Now on your Oppo A5x, just open Settings, then tap on Wi-Fi. Now from here, just tap on Scan. Now just scan this QR code using your Oppo A5x. Just like that. And once you scan this QR code, it will automatically connect to the Wi-Fi network. And this is how you can connect to Wi-Fi without password on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.